Hey loves, I'm about to make an omelette for breakfast and I decided to make it with you guys. So I will be making an omelette using 3 eggs, a quarter chopped green pepper, and just enough mushrooms for myself, and I will show you the spices that I'll be using for seasoning, and that's the oil that I'm using to make my mushrooms. I won't be using any cheese this morning. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. I hope that you do take something home.
Everybody knows Christmas is coming. Thank one and all. Time to hang your stockings, baby, and have yourself a ball. People all over this big world, they're getting ready to play. Kissing under the mistletoe and rocking the night away. So let's dance, baby. Let's swing the night away. Baby, hold me close, 'cause in our hearts Christmas is here to stay. Snowflakes falling gentle and bright, candles glow in the winter night. Family's laughter fills the air. Hope the warm love is everywhere. It's the time of the year we love. Thank the stars and the moon above. Hug your kids, tell your friends. Christmas time is here again. Christmas time is here again. It's here again. Christmas time is here again. Go tell your friends. Christmas time is here again. Christmas time is here again. Snowflakes falling gentle and bright, candles glow in the winter night. Family's laughter fills the air. Hope the warm love is everywhere. It's the time of the year we love. Thank the stars and the moon above. Hug your kids, tell your friends. Christmas time is here again. Christmas time is here Everybody knows Christmas is coming. Thank one and all. Time to hang your stockings, baby, and have yourself a ball.